How to fix Facebook showing only real videos in watch video icon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Play Store and make sure you have updated Facebook to the latest version. After that, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down in the icons and you will find video option. Click on video, and all the Facebook videos will pop up in here. And these are not the reels. You can also click on Explore at the top and explore video in this way. You can simply scroll and you will find all the videos of Facebook. This is how to fix Facebook showing only real videos in watch video icon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants a suggested topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.